Hello guys, welcome to CPLAC channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you what is Plenteum coin and how to mine that coin. So Plenteum it's a cryptonet based cryptocurrency and blockchain network that was launched in mid of 2018, which is this month I would say August. So cryptonet based coins are established in the cryptocurrency space with many successful implementations such as Monero, Electroneum, Eon, and many other coins. So as you know, cryptonet based coins are CPU and GPU mineable coins and can be implemented with a number of proof of work algorithms. And there are few others. There are few coins which are ASIC resistance. So this Plenteum coin is also like ASIC resistance. So before we get into the detail why the coin is created, so it is important to first understand a few fundamentals of proof of work based cryptocurrency network at this time today. So currently implementations rely on charging the end user a fee to process transaction on the network. So the reason fees exist in the first instance is to be able to provide rewards to miners for mining on the network. So once a coin has emitted its total supply, the sustainability of the network becomes heavily dependent on the fees being enough to keep miners incentivized to continue mining on the network. The fees are based on physical or byte size of transaction, not the actual monetary amount. So due to the way transaction work behind the scenes, dust gets created in the blockchain and user wallets. So this Plenteum coin is introduced a new concept that aims to solve two fundamental problems. So one is just clogging up wallets in the blockchain. And the second one is fees being too expensive for users or not enough for miners incentive to sustain the blockchain into the future. This is done by the implementing a new feature called Dust Fund. So if you want to know more about this coin, go to the site plenteum.coin and download the white paper, and you can read more information about this coin. So now let's see the roadmap. So as I said, so the coin mainnet has been launched, a week back, which is August 1st, and the GUI wallets are not yet released, but the team is currently busy working on developing the wallet, and the team is planned to list the coins in exchange during the third quarter of 2018. But currently, you can download the command line wallet, so that can be downloaded from here. So if you see the releases, you can see Linux and Windows based wallets. So once the wallet file is downloaded, so you will see 4-5 files like this. So first you have to run this Plenteum D, which is the daemon file, which will help you to sync your wallet into the network. And the second file is pool wallet. So this is the file where you will create your wallet. So you can see the options here. So G is for generating the new wallet. So enter G, press enter, and create your wallet name. So in this case, I'm going to keep it simple, test123, and provide your password and make sure to remember the password that you're entering. So once the password is entered, so here is your wallet. So the wallet is created, and your spend key, view key, and your seed. So all these are important information. So please make sure to note this down and store it somewhere. So once the GUI files are released, GUI wallet is released. So these informations are really required to restore your wallet on GUI. And along with that, you will also get this address file and wallet file. So So this is also will be helpful. This also will be helpful for you to restore your wallet when you got your when you get your GUI wallet. Okay, now let's go back to the coin and see how to mine this coin. Um, so you can see the pools list here. So if you click on this pools, you will see this block explorer, and as you can see, we have four pools, um, and the Plenteum miner care. This is the pool which is producing more hash rate. So that you can see here, the total network hash rate is 480 and the pool hash rate is 183. So almost more hash rates are produced from this uh, you know uh, pool. So you can go with any pool. So for this video, I'm going to use this pool for mining this coin. So click on this getting started. So you will see the information here, mining pool address which is miner.care and algorithm is Kryptonite Lite, and you can download the applicable or whatever is feasible for you. You can download the miner, whatever the feasible miner for you from this link, and you can see the configuration also here. So once the file is downloaded or your miner file is downloaded, um, you have to extract the zip file, and then you will see this XML stack file. Double click on this file. So this will launch this command window. For the first question, just say 0, enter 0, and as I said, this is the Kryptonite B7 algorithm. So copy this and paste it here. Pool address, as we know, this is miner.care, and you can copy that from here. And port number, you have to enter, and that port number can be taken from here. So here I am going to use 400, port number 400, and the username, which is your wallet file. So we have already created the wallet, so I'm going to give that wallet as my username, and password can be empty or X, and the next question can be empty, and next three questions give no. So now you can see the pool is successfully connected and the pool is successfully logged in. So the mining process is started now. And one more thing that I forgot to mention you is, suppose if you have 1000 hash rate, if you can produce 1000 hash rate from your mining machine, so you will end up in getting around 7,000 Plenteum coin per day. So as I always say, it is very easy to mine this coin. If you follow this video, hope that will be helpful for you. If you have any questions or doubts, please post your questions or doubts in the comment section. And if you really like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to CFLAG channel. Thank you all. Happy mining.